You know, I do a lot of sexual harassment cases, 95% of the time on the side of the accuser. I'm fighting another one of those on Monday. And I've often thought, gee, I wish I could just get into the other side and smack this guy around a little bit and tell him to knock it off and tell him how this is very damaging. Remarkably, I now have an opportunity to do that. I was very surprised that he admitted to being stupid, to saying things that he shouldn't have said. And I told him, you know, that needs to be your approach. You can't go back and change what's happened in the past, but you can go forward and acknowledge it, ask for forgiveness, change your behavior. And I thought I had a chance to make a difference here on the other side. We'll see if I've done that right. He wanted to be respectful to women, and he still wants to be respectful to women. And he's asked me, of all people, to help guide him in that direction, to explain to him the laws of sexual harassment and why this is important. And by the way, you know, sexual harassment is a legal term that has a particular meaning. The conduct has to rise to a certain level. He does not admit to sexual harassment. What he does admit to is misconduct. I salute any woman who comes forward with complaints of sexual harassment. You know, Harvey has had to learn. This is not an easy time for him either. Probably nobody has sympathy for him right now, and that's fine. But this is a guy who has thrown away the old playbook of let's attack the women, let's dig up dirt on their past, let's humiliate them, let's fight. He's not doing any of that. He's saying, I need to show respect, judge me by my actions, I'm sorry, I acknowledge I hurt people. But he's also saying some of the allegations in that New York Times piece were incorrect. Some of the allegations, which I have read, are he told me I had a nice dress on. He told me I looked cute without my glasses. Probably he shouldn't be saying things like that in the workplace. Does that rise to the level of sexual harassment legally? No, it doesn't. Any sexual harassment attorney will tell you that. Other allegations are more serious, but there were people in the room who have a different perspective on what happened, and the New York Times did not report their accounts.